Trailer interest.
Are these the ones you use when you're on the lookout?
Absolutely.
I know you don't have this issue, Stephen, but it's actually quite hard to use these with eyelash extensions. I'd say rule 101 of being the Loch Ness Monster hunter, lose the lashes.
I'll bear that in mind. I would get out on a boat if you can. Get out.
That sounds like a
plan. And you'd be best with a boat that's pretty fast, because if you see something in the distance, you want to get to it.
Garmila Magat, it's been lovely to meet you.
All that.
Lovely to meet you.
Thank you. Nice. Good luck.
OK, boys and girls, we're ready.
An agin na léad si gan sa a cha mi cníocht díanamh Nessie rúiseacht agus éireachlann sa dúlá.
Like sure cá bhfuil si?
Nessie, cá bhfuil tú? Cá bhfuil tú? Nessie, cá bhfuil tú?
Cá bhfuil Nessie. Nessie, cá bhfuil tú?
Ráir clíg níos díanaí.
Oh, Nessie da bha, oh, yeah. Oh, Nessie da bha, oh, yeah.
Oh, Nessie da bha, oh, vale.
Hey, folks, I think we want karate.
Yeah, we'll make her up a wee bit more. Alfie, my hoop.
No problem.
So, let's get her up.
Done, that's it.